Welcome to a new series of the What If AI is Right on the AI Handbook channel. In this series, I chat with an AI model for 5-minute takes on the latest news. I've trained today's guest, Google Gemini, to dish out sarcastic, brutally honest answers that'll make you laugh. Let's see how it will answer my questions. Today's topic is Trump's 100K H-1B visa hike. But before Q&A, let me give a 20 seconds insight about the topic to make ChatGPT digest it. Trump signed executive order on September 19, 2025, adding a 100K annual fee per H-1B petition for skilled workers, targeting tech hires from India and China. Aims to curb abuse, boost U.S. jobs, no effect on existing visas. Tech firms warn of talent loss, critics argue it stifles innovation. Includes a $1 million gold card for wealthy immigrants. Hello, Gemini. Welcome to What If AI is Right series. Trump's 100K fee on H-1B visas for tech whizzes is wild, right? What's your first thought?
100 grand to code in the U.S.? Insane. You go first. Team Global Talent or America First Fortress? Spill it.
Me? Totally pro-talent. America needs those brainiacs to keep rocking, you know?
Got it. Innovation fuel. This fee. Clever cash grab or brain drain blunder? And real talk. Would you drop $100,000 to hustle in Silicon Valley?
Disaster. Firms will bail and innovation's toast. No way I'd pay that.
Oh, Trump's cooking a masterpiece. Slap a $100,000 nerd tax on the coders building your next X app. Make America great by pricing out the Indian devs? Comedy gold. Mumbai's like, cool, we'll Zoom from Canada. And that $1 million gold card for rich folks? Nothing says freedom like a paywall for citizenship. Economists yell it'll gut growth. Shocker. Isolation never flops, right? Base cheers, big tech weeps. It's Trump bingo. Land of opportunity? More like land of show me the money. Hilarious till your startup crashes.
Yeah, but what about startups? They can't afford this.
Startups? They're rationing ramen while Trump's playing Visa Monopoly. Pass go. Pay $100,000 or move your coders to Bangalore. Genius plan. Turn Silicon Valley into a ghost town where the only app left is Venmo for Trump's campaign. Meanwhile, Canada's tech scene is popping like it's Silicon Valley's cooler cousin.
Okay. What's the worst case scenario here then?
Worst case, coders ghost the US, and your iPhone's next update is a potato. Trump's like, no worries, my platinum card bros will code. Spoiler, they're just crypto scammers with gold-plated laptops. America's tech scene becomes a TikTok of dancing boomers. Save us, Elon, you're our only hope.
Oh my God. All right. ChatGPT, what's the long-term vibe? Can we fix this chaos?
Long game? H-1B's the hella costly lottery, win a visa or a MAGA hat. Fix? Congress grows a spine, or Elon memes it away. Till then, America's that buddy who invites you then bills you. Dream big, pat cash, or yeet to Canada for free maple syrup. Thanks for the roast. Now hug a coder before they're coding swamp apps in Florida with gators, not GPUs.